I bought papaya from the shop and it says from Philippines. So let's try if it's tasty. Last time I bought like this, but it's not tasty, so I'll try again. That was long time ago. So this is what they call papaya. Yes. Oh, dami niyang seeds. Look, there's so many seeds. Let's try to cut them and taste one by one. One by one, guys. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Kung hindi to masarap, let's shake it. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Let's try to eat. Okay, lasa nito. Bakit mapait siya? Mapait ba? Mapait. May lasang iba. I-shake na lang siguro natin ito para ma-dismolar yung niya, yung pait. Pait eh. Tingnan nyo, parang tutubo na siya. Tutubo na ba to? Hindi naman. Parang mabuto siya. Yung sinasabi ko kung bumili ng papaya na ganito kasi hindi siya matamis. Hindi siya katamisan. Ganun. Yan. Pilitin natin kainin kasi sayang. Pagod sa pagbit-bit, diba? Ayan, guys. Gagawin ko, isi-shake ko na lang to. Gawin natin 3 minutes. Yes, this is from papaya from Philippines. Bili ko nito 500 yen, 2 piraso. Although mura na siya, kaso lang yung lasa, bakit may pait-pait, may aftertaste. Pero may pait-pait talaga. Hindi ko maintindihan at siya may pait-pait. Baka sa kalboro kaya ito, sa preservatives. Thank you. I-shake ko to.